may puhunan yan at siya mismo po siyang magturo.
Okay, sir, dito po, sir, dito.
Okay, group 6, mastering. Group 6, mastering. Mastering, do you know how to master? Conduct mastering. Group number 6, upo ko ulit. Talong.
Okay,
Alam niyo ba kung paano mag-conduct ng mastering?
Pwede ka na dyan, sir, pwede ka na dyan.
Last number. Okay, protect the class. Using back row. Okay, volunteer position. Ready, exit. Okay, straight back row. Next. Pasok ka ng bote, sir. Pasok. Ready, go.
Higa lang yan, higa.
Okay, position, ready, go. Okay,
Dito ma'am, dito, sa grupo nyo, sa grupo nyo.
position, ready,
Ate,
exit. Good.
Pwede ka na dyan ma'am. Ulo mo ma'am, sariling, ulo.
Position, ready, exit.
Doon kayo banda sa gitna. Kasi yung pinuwin na yung platter kick. Leader. Now leader, you will count 1, 2, 3 and the members will go along the wall. Hell!
Okay.
3 times yun. 1, 2, 3 again. Hell. 1, 2, 3 hell. Do the platter kick now. Go! Leader, come!
Red!
1, 2, 3 hell! 1, 2, 3 hell! Okay, that's it.
Pasok ka ng konti, pasok ka ng konti. Pasok na, lumabas ka. Okay, position. Ready, exit. Oh, hindi kayo should bow your head and lower your head and roll. Okay, next. Ma'am, pasok ka ng konti, pasok. Ayan, position. Okay, flip it with the other hand. Flip with your other hand. I-clip mo yung dyan kamay mo. Okay, pasok ng konti. Okay, ready, go. Good. Okay, swim back row. Higa ka lang. Okay, the water clear, no obstruction of the side, and at your back.